Hello everyone, so today I'll be teaching you all the basics of what you need to start learning Spanish. I'll be teaching you the basic phrases, words, and verbs in order to learn how to speak Spanish. So the first word that I will teach you is, or the first phrase that I will teach you is Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Good morning. That is the phrase that you use when you would like to greet someone in the morning and you don't just want to say hello. The next word that I will teach you is hola, hello, hola, hello. And that's a relatively informal greeting that is used to greet others. The next phrase that I will teach you is gracias, thank you, gracias, thank you. And gracias is used whenever thanking someone in Spanish. The next phrase that I will teach you is Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas tardes. This is a very important phrase to learn in order to when you're interacting with others in Spanish. Buenas tardes, as I said. The next phrase that I will teach you is how to say good night, which is buenas noches. Buenas noches. And that means good night. And that is a very helpful phrase to know. Another phrase that I will teach you in Spanish is regarding time. You can say, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Or you can say something like, ¿A qué fecha estamos? ¿A qué fecha estamos? What day of the month are we in? And another very important phrase to know in Spanish is por favor, please. Por favor, please. And another phrase that's really helpful is with regard to knowing how to conjugate the pronoun chart. So you can say yo, which is I, tú es, you are, él es, he is, ella es, she is. Nosotros somos, we are. Nosotras somos, we are feminine. Ustedes son, you all are. Or vosotros sois, which is in Spain, you all are. Ellos están. Perdón, ellos son, or ellas son, they all are. And that is the pronoun chart. Whenever you're interacting with others, you need to know how to conjugate the pronoun chart. And when learning Spanish, one of the most important things to do is to practice. Even though it seems tedious and it may seem frustrating at times, practicing is very important. Practicing how to say the words, how to interact with others, and how to use all the phrases you've learned are all very important. And as well as trying to find a native speaker if there's someone that you know in your local area, or even someone you could meet online and speak with them in Spanish and practice your accent, learn how to interact, because when you're engaging with a native speaker, you'll get to hear how Spanish should sound, and you'll become more and more fluent and sound more and more like a native speaker. So with that, I will leave you with one more phrase that you should know. Actually, two more. Adios, goodbye, adios, goodbye, and ¿qué tal, which is an informal way of saying how are you? ¿Qué tal? How are you? I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.